Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gear. Today, we have a keyboard that's perfect for anyone who wants to improve their typing experience. It's the SABLUTE large print backlit keyboard, and it's here to make your typing effortless, whether you're a beginner, a senior, a student, or an office worker. Let's talk about what sets this keyboard apart. First, take a look at those keys. They have fonts that are 4 times larger than standard keyboards. It's like having a magnifying glass for your keyboard, making it incredibly easy to locate keys. Now, here's where it gets even cooler. This keyboard features 7 levels of brightness, 7 different colors, and 4 backlight modes. No more struggling to type in low light conditions. You can easily adjust the brightness to your liking using the FN key and specific keys. Setting up the SABLUTE keyboard is a breeze. It's a plug-and-play device, so you won't need to deal with charging or changing batteries. Just connect the 5.17 feet USB cable to your computer or laptop, and you're ready to type away. It's compatible with PCs and laptops running Windows, Vista, Mac OS, and Chrome. Now, let's talk comfort. The large font design not only looks great but also provides excellent comfort. It can help relieve eye fatigue caused by small fonts while typing. Plus, there's a foldable stand on the back of the keyboard to keep your wrists in a comfortable position. It's perfect for those long work hours. Worried about disturbing others with loud typing? This keyboard has a silent design, making it super quiet. Plus, it's a wired keyboard, so it connects directly to your laptop or computer. That means there's no delay when typing, giving you a smoother experience. Who is this keyboard for? Well, it's incredibly versatile. It's perfect for software developers, data analysts, and designers who demand precision and efficiency. It's also a game changer for people with visual impairments, as it allows for easy text input in dimly lit environments. SABLUTE stands by its products, and they offer a 90-day replacement service to ensure your satisfaction. They're here to help you if you encounter any issues. In summary, the SABLUTE large print backlit keyboard is a game changer in the world of keyboards. It combines large fonts, customizable backlighting, ergonomic design, and silent operation to deliver a fantastic typing experience. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique.